Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei P30 Pro. It comes pretty much the same way the P20 Pro, which is my current phone, came. Just in this same kind of white box. I think it's almost identical actually. I did have my hopes set on the P40 Pro, but and I know there is ways around it before anyone says that, but I just really don't want the hassle of having to go through all that extra stuff to get, you know, YouTube and things like that on it. I'm sure I could do it within 15 minutes, but I just don't like the uncertainty of it. And you know what, the P30 Pro is it's an absolute beast of a phone anyway, and for what I use it for, mainly the camera and stuff, I get everything I need out of this, and it's cheaper anyway. This is the, because there is now a new version of the P30 Pro, which I believe is, I think the only difference is it's like got 8 GB of RAM, whereas this one I think is 6, and then there's something else different about it. I think that's just to help out with the lack of sales of the P40 in the West due to the issue with the Google services, so it's to try and offer a more flagship version of what they've previously had with Google services. So let's just go ahead and get this open. So I just got the black version. I've not got a screen protector, so there's no point in me taking this off just now. Well, I'll do it in a minute actually, why not? I've actually given my son this is sim eject tool, and then there'll be some little booklets in here, just the usual kind of stuff. I'm going to give my son my P20 Pro so that he can use it for Roblox and stuff, and Minecraft, because he broke his tablet there the other day. What is this? This is the charger cable there, and then there's some little headphones there. I never really use them. I've got a pair of Bluetooth ones I just use, wireless, and then the charging brick there. Everything looks pretty much the same as before. So this is might be the satisfying bit, isn't it? Oh, I can't do it. Oh, yes I can. So, trying not to get myself in it, but let's see if we can power it on. Where's the power button on this? Let me see. Oh, I was pressing the volume up. So there's the power one there. Got a little red indicator. See if there is any charge in it. I felt something. There we go. I can actually show you my P20 Pro right now. It's actually recording. It's got the GoPro app on it for recording this, so that's the P20 right beside P20 Pro right beside the P30. Obviously the brightness is not up on this one, but there you go guys, there's a look at the phone, and yeah, that's it in the black. And thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you at the next video.